What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put at least $100 in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out their brokerage app. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull brokerage account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'm going to also send you a Webull tutorial video to walk you through how to make your first trade on the Webull app. All you got to do is send me a DM on Instagram at RichardFane28. Let me know you opened your new Webull account, and I'm going to send you that free tutorial video so you can start building wealth. Will the stock market crash? Well, Michael Burry, billionaire investor, believes it will crash. $1.6 billion. Mr. Burry is betting against the stock market. Now, that's according to media outlets. This is the same guy who predicted the 2008 real estate crash. And he put his money where his mouth was. He betted against the real estate market back in 2008 to the tune of $8.4 billion in credit default swaps. And guess what? He won. He predicted the real estate crash of 2008 perfectly. If you make enough predictions, some of them you're going to get right, and some of them you're going to get wrong. In my personal opinion, he has been wrong more times than he's been right. What should we be thinking about as it relates to where the stock market is today? I think you got to look at it two different ways, depending upon what your age is. If you're a younger person, and you're still in the building stage of wealth, basically you're trying to create your wealth, you need investments that you can put your money into that will multiply it over the years as you invest. If you are an older person who has already built their wealth and you're now in the enjoyment stage of wealth, you're probably looking to protect that wealth. So you don't want to take as much risk as a younger person who is trying to build their wealth. See, when I'm younger or I don't have any wealth and I'm trying to build wealth, typically I got to take a little bit more risk than if I was in the enjoyment stage of wealth and I already had my wealth accumulated. I want to preserve it. I don't want to take as much risk. So I think those are the two scenarios you got to ask yourself, which one of those are you in? Personally, for me, I'm in the enjoyment stage of wealth. I spent 25 years building my wealth through investing in the stock market, investing in real estate for income. And I'm at a point now where I'd like to preserve that wealth. So I have begun to transition some of my wealth out of equities and put them into a little bit more safer investments. Now, I'm not going to get the growth that I would get by investing in equities. I'm okay with that because I've already built the majority of my wealth. Now I want to protect it for someone who is still trying to build their wealth. And typically that's younger folks, but there are some older folks that may have gotten a late start. Maybe you're 40 or 50 years old and you got a late start and you're saying, hey, over these next 15 years, I want to be able to build some wealth. So you may be willing to take a little bit more risk and put your money in equities. In my opinion, that's not a bad strategy. When we're in the stock market and there's a correction, if we don't have the time to be able to wait for that correction to correct itself again and go back up, that's where people get heartburn. If you're a younger person, you should have plenty of time, right? So if the market even fell today, it's a buying opportunity for you because you want to buy assets at a discount and be able to hold those assets until they trade at a premium again. So, in a stock market crash, that's an opportunity for people who are trying to build wealth because they're going to get these assets at a discount. Like over these last several years, it's been a discounted stock market. I've made a lot of money just by buying these discounted assets, and now all of a sudden they're going back up in value and starting to trade at a premium again. So you can look at it as an opportunity and take advantage of that opportunity if you're trying to build wealth, right? That's what I would be thinking about doing. If you're a person that has already built their wealth and you don't have time to recover and you need your money right now to be living off of, then yeah, you may want to consider how much money you got in equities because it's going to still be volatile, in my opinion, over the next couple of years. Back to Michael Burry. He's betting against the market, man. And specifically, he's betting against the S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in America. And he's betting against the tech industry. So SPY is an S&P 500 ETF, and QQQ is a fast-growing technology ETF. Those are the two he's making that $1.6 billion bet against. Now, again, that's media information. I have not went in and looked at any of the SEC filings or anything like that, because if you're managing over $100 million in investments, you got to file certain paperwork with the SEC when it comes to what are your investments. Now, I haven't looked at that. I'm just giving you straight off of what I get from the media. And of course, you guys know the media is run by the 1%, so they will manipulate us or try to manipulate us through the media so that they can continue to be wealthy and we can continue to be broke and poor. So take it for what it's worth. But I know who Michael Burry is, and I'm not surprised that he would make a bet against the stock market. He's been doing that for years. Like I said, the guy correctly, right on the money, predicted the 2008 real estate debacle. And the guy made a bunch of money, man. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think is going to happen with the stock market here over the next 6 months. Do you think it's going to crash, lose 20, 30% of its value? Or do you think it's going to bounce again and end the year up? Personally, I think it's going to bounce again and end the year positive. So I'm looking for some opportunities to catch on this fourth quarter of this year and try to round out my year and be productive and profitable and win in the stock market. If you want them 12 free stocks from Webull, guys, you got to click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Share the video. Smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.
Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.